Welcome to Looks AI. Let's get started on building your profile. Creating a profile is simple. Sign up using your Gmail, Instagram, or Facebook account. Input your basic information such as name, the type of clothing you want to see, height, weight, shoe size, and birthday. Quickly select styles that appeal to you. Next, you are going to build your fit profile. Multi-layer search. Our search feature is unique to our platform. It is designed to allow you to search for items by using multiple filters, including brands and items, to more effectively discover products. You can choose from over 2,500 brands on our platform. Once you have selected your desired search criteria, the catalog will display those items from our available brands and retailers. You can refine your search to create a new catalog of listed items. Tagging items. Tagging items is simple. Go to the plus button at the bottom toolbar and upload a look you want to tag. Once uploaded, search for the item you wish to tag. Fill out the information around the fit of the item. These tags will help your looks to be searchable on the platform for other users. You can add as many tags as needed, or create a tag that best describes the items you are posting. Sharing your profile. Sharing your profile is an important step. Simply go to your post, click the share button. The link will be available on the clipboard. Go to your Instagram and add the link in your profile. Simple.